poet, is a spoken word artist in London. That's how I think of Layla.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got several requests to show the reception performance of this PRUNUS J-199 radio. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, Bluetooth, you name it, it's got it. And because, well, I shouldn't say because, but the audio is awesome. Nice big speaker system. Audio is awesome. So I will very carefully kind of scan the bands for you, trying to stay away from music, to show you the reception performance, which is excellent. Now, I'm using the telescopic antenna. It's about 30 inches in length. That's up. And I'm up in my office, which is on the second story, so I have that advantage. But there is a lot of electronics on in this room, which could cause interference. And guess what? It doesn't. So let's scan the band real quick so we don't get into any trouble. Here we go. This is FM band. Whoa. Starts right off with music. More music.
They had been in a wedding, and it was the groomsman gift for the wedding that they had been in.
I barely got the volume
turned
down.
And then now you can't go anywhere without seeing people wearing their...
Finds all kinds of stations.
It's probably the most healing.
Yeah.
Like
Just for the Howard Franklin Bridge, Courtney Campbell Causeway, and Gandy Bridge.
Whoa, get away from that music.
And you want to be protected for that.
Stick with the human hands. I'm good with
How about halfway through the band?
There he is.
It's full of possibilities.
Skipping some because I'm moving so fast.
Morning show. And the reason that
Oh my gosh. We turn the volume down. It's doing a great job.
Now to 20129 for your check.
Luckily, this time of day, there's a lot of talk radio on FM.
105.5 the Dove app.
Matter of fact, it's all talk radio. Well, there's some music. So that's the FM band. You can see the reception on this radio is awesome. I mean, unbelievable. Okay, let's move to AM. And we'll... Now, typically, on small radios especially, I have to orient the radio this way because the stations are this way. But I don't have to do that on this one. It's probably got a huge ferrite antenna for AM. Let's go. Turn the volume back up. Well, guess I was wrong. Let's just try it. Maybe I do have to turn it. Well, music. There we go. Now it's doing it. There was just not much at the top of the band. Let's see if I can find a weak one. See if orientation makes a difference. And they're coming in so strong, I can't find a weak one.
defense. Right to say that.
That's music.
Regardless of age or medical.
Now there's a weak one. That's weak. Now we move this out of the way and see if... Oh yeah. I correct myself. On really weak stations, you do have to orient the radio so that the antenna is perpendicular to the stations that are that way. So I correct myself. So there's a weak station. And if I turn it this way, you get a lot of noise and not much of the station. So the sensitivity of this radio is awesome. It is awesome as far as sensitivity. It does have that, which is normal. It's not a problem. It's just normal that you have to rotate the radio to be perpendicular to the radio transmitter on AM only. I will not be able to get, I'll try it, but I will not be able to get anything on shortwave at, let's see, what time is it? At almost 9 o'clock in the morning. But I'll try it. I try to give you what you want. Okay, it's on shortwave. I'll go down to the very bottom of the band, which is 5.9. Turn the volume up. We're using a built-in telescopic antenna. We're trying to get something there. I'm getting some kind of interference probably from my router, which is right over there. It's trying. Does mute while tuning, so you have to go slow. Something tried to come in right there. It's about 7.8, 7.7. Plus, I don't have it up right now, but the A index a couple hours ago was 39. 39. That's all the noise you're hearing. See if I can get WWV on 10. Right around there. Nope. I think that's WWV. I can't hear the clicks, but I do hear that kind of tone in the background, which is usually an indication of WWV. I'm going to let us listen for a few more seconds to see if I hear the beep. I think I hear the voice. Very, very faint. Yeah, I thought I heard the voice. Let me go up to about 13. There we go.
Steve is going to set people free. He's going to bring salvation into their heart, into their soul. And
that's probably WBCQ. Either that or one of the other Nashville, Tennessee stations coming in pretty good.
a world that seems to be coming
Yeah.
apart at the seams and stands
So
for love
you would think that if it can get that signal or that station that strong in the middle of the morning, that it would do pretty good on other shortwave stations far away in the evening or the very early morning. I'll have to do some more testing on the shortwave band during those peak times and when these A index, the solar A index, is not through the roof, which it is right now.
God is going to lose
Yeah, you hear noise.
today.
That's the background noise from the solar flux index, most likely. Not positive, but most likely that's what that is. So, again, this radio has exceptional sensitivity. I think you ought to get you one if you need a radio, a tabletop radio. This is a tabletop radio. It's not portable. So if you need a tabletop radio, this is one to get, the J-199. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, boy, that would be a great thing to do. Have a great day. Bye-bye.